it became known what will be the iPhone SE 2. Apple itself has revealed a secret. At the disposal of 9 to 5 Mac journalists were the codes of the next generation iOS 14 operating system, thanks to which the secrets of many upcoming Apple products were revealed. So, from the code it became known that the device will support biometric fingerprint authentication, and will also receive compatibility with Express Transport cards. The latter, as suggested by 9 to 5 Mac, will push iPhone 6 owners to switch to the new iPhone SE 2, or iPhone 9, no one knows the exact name. There is a mention in the source iOS 14 of the new iPad Pro. He will receive a triple camera, like the iPhone 11 Pro, which includes ultra-wide-angle, conventional and telephoto lenses, as well as a TOF camera, for working with augmented reality. Other changes will affect the Apple TV, which may receive a new Siri-enabled remote.